welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a Try Not to Laugh with Mariah, who is my next door neighbor.
Hello.
Yeah. That Lily! You're supposed to see that. Okay, and let's start this video. It's Cat Farts is So Annoying Funny Animal Compilation Try Not to Laugh HD. Let's actually turn that to HD. 140p, and let's do this. Ready?
Yeah. Is it showing us or no?
No.
Okay.
I got no face cam.
Oh.
I'm not that rich.
Oh, this is Try Not to Laugh.
Yeah.
I already lost.
Yeah.
Jinx!
And you too.
How about every time?
No.
How about every time?
This is my favorite.
I've seen this when it poops or farts
Doesn't. Iguana.
in the bathtub.
Mariah.
I've already lost like 4 times.
I've got like 5 points.
Like a little morning ritual with these.
How about every time we lose, we have to put an ice
No.
cube,
There we go. There's the morning ritual. I gotta love that one.
ice cube down our shirt.
She just said, hey, pull my finger.
What the heck?
Did you hear it?
Yeah, it went.
Guys, you can't do this.
I've seen this one before. I'm not laughing. I didn't laugh.
The cat. That's the face of a farter. He's like, I'm innocent. I didn't fart.
I've seen this one before. It's funny.
You both laugh. Seriously?
But it's still running away from it. This one's funny.
The next one is my favorite.
This one's funny too, though.
Why did you fart at such a random time? Especially with the chimp.
I don't know. Wait, the chimp farted.
Yeah, the chimp farted. This is my
Oh,
favorite.
this one is too.
Yeah, guys, we already
He
watched
poops.
Helicopter That last part, no. That last part. Okay. Oh wait, the video's not over. The woman. Okay. Okay. Let's try. Just try not to laugh.
Okay. Can it see this part too?
Yeah, I can.
I know, it can see the whole screen.
Yeah, I can see the entire screen, Mariah.
I know, I'm not stupid.
You should be. Yes, I am. I don't even know. This one was uploaded 4 hours ago.
Oh. I don't even know how to do
Hey,
it.
Addies!
It's gonna show the ad too.
Stop it!
You are so lucky the camera can't see you.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I wish the camera could see me.
I've seen this before. I've seen this video.
You
already lost and I didn't even laugh.
Wait, I forgot. I swear, I forgot. No, this video is 10 minutes.
I know.
Wee.
That one wasn't even funny. Why are you laughing, Lily? I don't know.
Oh, I've seen this
I
one.
usually laugh at everything, so.
You gotta plug your nose. You're not allowed to do that. I like turtles. Wait, where did he get strapped from?
The rope. This one's funny.
I'm an idiot, so I'm just gonna do this
Watch
and get
this.
hit by a wave. I
Watch
bet.
this part.
I bet he's gonna get hit by a wave. Oh! Get RKO'd out of nowhere!
This one's funny too.
How do you miss that? How do you miss that?
He's like 4.
How do you... No!
This is funny.
I didn't laugh. Oh no, you pushed your mommy. That's just instant karma. That's instant. How can that kid? He's like 9 years
How
old
can
and he
he
can't
even-
swim.
That's not 9 years old. He's like 2.
No, the other kid who came into the camera. She's gonna fail, isn't she?
Yeah.
I told you. Right? And I knew it. I wouldn't swim in that water. That water looks
I know.
disgusting.
It's the nastiest part.
I'd swim in that.
I would too.
How do you feel going down a slide?
People are stupid.
Why would you go face first?
Oh,
baby slide.
I know. I would have
Mr. Goatron, don't do that.
Why are you laughing?
I want to go.
I do too. I like goats.
I do too.
Womp. Oh, what did you catch? Did you got water?
Who was that? A frog?
Who was a frog?
Who's a toad?
I wouldn't be that freaking out. I mean, it's not that bad.
I wouldn't really.
Oh yeah, hop on it. That's a very good
that's
idea.
a very good idea. Perfect.
Bye.
Why are you laughing already?
That's not even the funny part. That was. You see, that's funny for you guys because you do the gymnastics. We got ourselves a water jetpack here. People get really good with these things.
I love those. I want to do
Oh,
it.
bye.
Oh, this is funny.
Makeup tutorial for beginners. Let's watch that next.
Yeah.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Is Nathan winning? Oh!
Oh, that must have hot.
What in the
Oh, I know
days?
what's gonna happen.
Good job, sir.
That's not even funny, really. Why are you laughing?
Because Mr. Goatron. Oh, there.
Oh, he's going backwards. Oh, I know what's gonna happen.
It's gonna tip
Bye.
over.
Yep. Alright, guys, it's
that
time to
must-
eat. It's
Okay.
time to eat. Well, that's gonna have to be the. Oh God. Be the end of this video, guys. Bye. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you dudes.